You are welcome to this training. My name is Oyeyemi Olalekan. In this training, the name of the app we'll be using is called Avaton. So that is the app we'll be using to create animation, either for your own business or for business owners in exchange of money. So as you see it here, either you download it on Play Store and you can also download it on our Telegram page. On our Telegram page, you are going to download the pro version of Avaton. Okay, you are going to pay for it, but if you want to download pro version on Play Store, you will have to pay for it. Okay, now let me show you on the Play Store. So just type Avaton, okay, and search for it. So right here, look at the logo. So I have installed it before, so I don't want to install it again. Now Avaton Avatar Maker, Enjoy container. This one contains the one in on our Telegram page do not contain um ads. So I will advise you to download it from there. Now having downloaded it, so let's go and create our animation. Okay, just click on the app and it will open. So allow it to open. So when it opens, it will take you down here. Mind you, you will not see this type of character. This one I've created it, so I'm going to start afresh. So when you open it, you will see a place. It will ask you to click next. So you just click next, next, next. See when you get here. Okay. Now we are going to create character. So that is the first thing you will create. You will do the character you will use for your animation. You have different type of character you can create. Okay, so right now we are going to create character. To create a character, you come to this plus sign, or for your own, when it comes, when you open it and it brings something like this, you will be dressing it. Okay, so to start afresh, so you click on this plus. For your own, you will see automatic. It will give you one avatar. So click on this plus, then you click on this plus again. So click here. All right, it will ask you to pick a gender to start making an avatar. So let's start from female. So click on female. Then you click on manual creation. So we are not doing facial recognition. This facial recognition, if you want to create something maybe like that of your own, but let's go for manual creation. Then it will load. So now you will need to do some design. I don't want this video to be too long, so you can now do the facial look. Look at this area. Yeah. So you will do the settings, you decorate and design the facial look of your avatar. The first one is shape. So I'm okay with this. You move to the next one. The color. So the color of the hair. So that one is for hair. So you come here, just begin to, you can see different style. Different style. I want it, then you choose color. So I prefer black. So you see, if I don't want that style, I have another one. I can pick this. Yes, I think I like this. I like this. So you can go down, go down, go down. So for this one, I'm going to stop here. I'll pick this. So you can pick your own, the one you like. After that, click on the next one. That is the eyes. Choose the type of the eyes. As for me, this size is okay for me. Choose the next one. You are seeing where I'm choosing. Choose the next one. Ice brown. Don't change it. I don't want to change it. You can to change. So just draw this one. Just drag it to the back or to the front. So here is the leaves, and then let me just go to this mirror. So this one is official look. Let me know. So I can pick one. Okay. Pick this one. Okay. Look at this. All right. I like this. So if you want to give it cap, but I don't want cap now. So after that, I come to save. Click on save. Click on save. So when you click on save, and it will ask you to name your avatar. So let me name this one as Dorcas. Now you click on save. All right. So we have come to a place where you will decorate it more. We have face. We have decorated the face. So if you want to change anything on face, you can click on face back. It will take you back to where we just finished now. You will do beauty. You will do clothes. You change background. You can change the post too. So now let's do it one by one. Okay. So click on beauty. So I don't want to change any of these. So I don't want to change any of this. This is the one we just did the other time. So I'm not changing anything on that. So that is for beauty. Can you see what is on beauty? Then clothes. Click on clothes. That is the next one. So this one, just pro, don't bother. Just move to the second one here. We have XX clothes. So if you are not using pro fashion, among these clothes, you will see pro there, apart from the first one that pro is written on. So just click on clothes you will like. Okay, one because I want this video to be short. Okay, save. Now under that clothes, you can still change many things there. Let me go back. So you will see that there are a lot of clothes that you can choose from. Can you see? So this is for complete one. And here for trouser, you can change You can change the trouser. Can you see? So now you can change the shoe. The next one, shoe. If you don't like that shoe, so you can check the neckness. You can change it. You can change the glasses. So having done that, go through it, play with it. It is very, very easy and it is fun. Just click on save. Yes, having saved it, then the next one is background. Move to background. If you like this background, leave it. But don't forget, we are using this. We want to use to advertise. So you can go down background. There are lots of background. Since it is a pro fashion, so you see a lot of background. I'm not using decoration, so pick a background. Let me just pick one for now. Pick a background. Then click on save. Okay. Now you can click on pose. So you can change the pose, that is the way you are standing. You can change that. So that is the last stage. So there are lots of poses. Scroll down. So you just pick any pose you like. Then after that, you click on save to gallery. Click on save to gallery. Click on gallery. See gallery successfully. All right, now you can back it and then you create another one. Create another avatar. You come to that plus again. So I've created like 3 avatar. To create another one, just like the former one we created, you follow the same pattern. So this time around, let's create for me. These are the avatar we are going to be using. So manual creation. The facial look, everything like that. Just pick it. So leave this one like this. I'll click on save. You click on save. Don't have much decoration. For me, name your avatar. Okay. So now you can change the style. Change the clothes. So I'm not changing the style now. I will change the clothes. So I'm not changing. The first clothes is for complete wear. Okay, if you want a complete wear for your avatar, it will select both for shirts and for trouser. But if you want to pick it individually, you pick the next one. This one is for complete, this one is for individual. So let me pick one. That cap, I don't want it. I don't want it. Right, so I pick another clothes. Let me just pick one. Then trouser. So let me pick black. Then shoe. Let me pick this. Just decorate it as you want. Then glasses. Let me give it one. Not necessary. After that, you click on save. Now you can also change the background just like that, okay? But we have created the avatar that we need to create. It is not necessary you save this one, okay? It is not necessary you download it on your video. So in the next video, I'll be showing you how, you can choose a character that you are going to use. See you in the next video.